The development of the past decade of construction-duty pan scrapers has opened new low-cost earth-moving opportunities in the mining and construction industries. The advantage of the pull pan scraper is its wide low pan is fast and easy to load, compared to the tall bowl of conventional scrapers that requires a far greater effort to push up a higher pile of earth. In addition, multiple pans hooked together can haul large payloads over longer distances. So while pan scrapers have advanced, their widespread use has been limited by the lack of a capable tractor unit. Large farm tractors have for years been modified and adapted for construction work, but fall far short of the mark. The challenge is the night and day difference between farm work and heavy construction. Farm tractors pulling farm implements don't handle heavy imposed loads. On the farm, field conditions are mostly flat and smooth, and while farm tractors have a speed range for commuting between fields, their drivetrains are not designed for hauling or stopping heavy loads at speed or handling frequent, full power, full torque gear changes. Heavy construction demands a purpose-built machine, and today the solution is at hand. Bell Equipment is proud to introduce the newest addition to our construction tractor range. Known as the Model 3806D and 4206D, these heavy-duty workhorses are set to power the construction tractor pan scraper earth-moving revolution. For 20 years, Bell Equipment has provided four-wheel drive tractor derivatives of our 25 and 30-ton articulated dump trucks, and testimony to the durability is the fact that more than 90% of this fleet is still hard at work in construction. It's on the solid foundation of experience that the new 40-ton truck class tractors are built. Designed and built from the ground up for hauling, Bell construction tractors achieve productivity gains of up to 20% or more on longer hauls. An efficient powertrain yields up to 20% lower fuel consumption per hour. This compounds to an average fuel saving of as much as 35% lower fuel used per unit of material moved. These benefits in turn allow far longer haul distances and previously economical with any other type of scraper. But best of all, Bell construction tractors are designed and configured to make it easy. Easy on your pocket, with low operating costs and long-term durability. Easy on operators with a superior ride, quite comfortable cab and simple, intuitive controls. And easy on support people, with high reliability, minimal service needs, and unprecedented service access. From behind the wheel, it's easy to appreciate just how simple the Bell tractor is to operate. The fully automatic transmission handles all gear shifts, matching loads and grades with the right ratio, so it's easy to focus on production. On approaching the scrape site, simply engage the scraper mode switch. The tractor automatically slows down with the engine retarder and programmed transmission downshifts until first gear is reached. The computer then holds first gear and calls for full engine RPM. In lighter material, where second gear scrape mode is preferred, this can be selected on the monitor display unit. 6 individual valve functions are provided to match up to virtually any combination of scrapers. Each function's detent time and flow rate can be individually tailored electronically by simple inputs on the hydraulic valve's control panel overhead. No matter what's hooked up, precision control is easy to fine-tune. In the cut, the Bell gets maximum power to the ground, driving all wheels through a robust inter-axle differential lock and controlled traction differentials in both axles. The transmission's ability to shift seamlessly between converter lockup and torque modification mode produces massive lugging power without any driveline shock. Once the pans are full, scraper mode is turned off and automatic shifting resumes. On the haul, the Bell achieves higher haul speeds thanks to its planetary type haulage transmission. Conventional power shift transmissions suffer losses from the drag of multiple power robbing clutches in the higher speed ranges. not a factor for farm tractors commuting between fields, but a major handicap with 40 tons of payload. Fast cycles demand quick acceleration, maximum haul speed, and rapid deceleration. To simplify the workload, the Bell incorporates an automatic retarder function in the throttle pedal. Light pressure on the throttle provides a coasting mode, while the off-throttle position calls for a deceleration mode that downshifts the transmission as appropriate and uses the tractor's non-wearing braking system, powerful engine valve and exhaust brake to safely and effectively slow the unit. High-capacity heavy-duty disc brakes at each wheel, backed up by an oversized park and emergency driveline brake, provide unequal stopping power. So while Bell construction tractors are easy to operate, they're also easy on the operator. The luxury cab boosts the industry's lowest cabin sound levels, and outside, low drive-by noise emissions bring a new quiet to the job site too. A highly effective, semi-independent front suspension system not only sets a new standard for ride comfort, but also makes possible fast haul speed, maximizing productivity. Two heavy-duty nitrogen oil struts attached with maintenance-free elastomeric mounts soak up the bumps and cushion the ride. Along with a great ride, easy-to-use controls, and a low-noise environment, attention to details like handy storage spaces, the overhead access to circuit breakers, even a temperature-controlled food and beverage compartment. You could say that Bell Tractor is built around the operator. Rather, it's because Bell construction tractors are built around arguably the world's most advanced range of Arctic trucks that they deliver such exceptional value. Bell trucks lead in efficient productivity, cost effectiveness, and user-friendly features. Under both the Bell mark and the branded models of our global alliance partners, Bell trucks have the fastest growing market share in the world today. Bell Equipment's policy of selecting only premium components from the world's premier producers results in drivetrains matched to deliver exceptional efficiency and durability. Backbone to the construction tractor's structural durability is a super strong chassis inherited from the truck line. Massive, widely spaced articulation pivots and an oscillation joint designed to handle a 40-ton payload may be overkill for the tractor configuration, but it certainly makes the Bell indestructible. The purpose-built rear chassis incorporates a sturdy hitch point with interchangeable couplings, while a heavy-duty recovery tow point up front is installed standard equipment. High-capacity outboard planetary axles are designed to carry large, wide-base radial earth mover tires. These modern technology tires lower operating costs with long-life components and design, along with low downtime as a result of greater puncture resistance. Bell construction tractors and modern scraper pans can work a range of material, even up to soft rock, using scarifying cutting edges or a second unit to pre-rip. The rig's quick loading rate, fast haul speed, and rapid discharge ability makes for incredible short cycle times. On the strip mining job, hauling tandem 18-yard pans, the Bell loads on average in 30 seconds, completing a short 100-meter haul in a 2-minute cycle. An average 38-ton payload and 25 cycles an hour yields a production rate of just under 1,000 tons an hour. Working on this box cut development, the Bell is moving an average 600 tons per hour on a 500-meter round haul. Compare this to the alternative, which requires a 60-ton excavator matched with two 30-ton dump trucks at more than double the capital investment and the operating costs of 3 machines and operators against a single rig. Building this earth wall water storage reservoir, the Bell moved 60,000 cubic meters of earth in under 500 hours. This included making multiple extra passes for compaction purposes, obviating the need for additional compaction equipment on site. Bell tractor scraper rigs have the versatility to work alone or in teams on large projects. without the expense of tracked equipment that would be needed to assist in loading conventional motorized scrapers. In addition, belt tractor scraper rigs are highly flexible, in that when conditions dictate they can be top loaded, providing similar levels of productivity to regular tick trucks. Beyond low cost earth moving, belt construction tractors bring loads of utility to the job, as a perfect tractive unit for a variety of trail equipment or implements. Belt construction tractors do double duty, hauling rear or bottom dump trailers, water tankers, fuel bowsers, construction plows or compaction equipment. Keeping things simple has been the cornerstone of Bell Equipment's value offering since our beginning. The Bell range of construction tractors is another simple idea with revolutionary results. Be sure to ask your Bell representative to arrange a demonstration and find out firsthand just what the Bell construction tractor can do for you.